dance for us. Do you think this is some sort of stream where you donate and I dance? Wrong stream, buddy.
This guy is crazy.
I should get a whiteboard, huh? Do I have space?
Hey Artur, do you have sleeping issues by playing Dota?
Can I roll a dice? I can roll a pen. Does that work? You know, I throw the pen in the air, it does a little fucking. Okay, heads. Heads again. Whenever I drink coffee, I feel way more sleepy than I was previously. Can anyone explain? Any doctors here? I think it's just I have to drink a lot of coffee since I abused coffee a lot when I was younger. So, my tolerance. Hold on. I can't stop yawning, man. Dude, that's so hard. Oh my god. 200 ping tiny, man. What am I gonna do? This is actually so boring, man. Stop fucking hitting me, man.
My boy, please, I am desperate to find out your thought on lone druids. Should I become a lone druid scammer in pubs?
This is some real fucking XD shit, man. Dude, I've been trying to use this courier for like 4 minutes. That's fine. Sorry, lads. Well, that's just fucking life, guys. Sometimes you stun and you have 2-second delay. That's some nice cold coffee, man. God damn. I just want the disruptor, man. Can't win them all, huh?
Your ancient is up.
This might be my last game on Europe servers, that's for sure.